Hey there, folks. Looking to drop a few extra pounds but still enjoy something tasty? You're in the right place. It's no secret that carbs and sugars, especially the processed kinds, have been holding us back, both on the scale and in overall health. They're the reason behind stubborn weight gain and a bunch of other problems we're all trying to avoid. Today, we're revealing 5 of the healthiest snack options that are low in carbs and sugar. Simple, delicious, and great for weight loss and blood sugar balance. Ready to jump in? Let's do it. 1. Cheese sticks. A delicious yet nutrient-packed snack. Cheese isn't just tasty, it's full of calcium for strong bones and teeth, and offers plenty of protein to help repair tissues and support muscle growth. That same protein also helps reduce hunger and control weight. On top of that, cheese contains probiotics that can support gut health and immunity, along with nutrients like phosphorus, zinc, and vitamins A and B. Just keep portions in check. A few sticks or a small handful of cubes is perfect. 2. Macadamia nuts. At number 2, we've got macadamia nuts, often called the kings of nuts, for their buttery flavor and incredible nutrition. They're rich in healthy fats that can lower bad cholesterol and support heart health. Their fiber aids digestion and keeps hunger at bay, helping with weight control. Macadamias are also known for reducing the risk of coronary artery disease and fighting inflammation thanks to their antioxidants. Because they're calorie-dense, moderation matters. About 10 to 12 nuts per serving is ideal. 3. Seaweed snacks. Those light, crispy sheets from the sea that have become a popular healthy choice. Seaweed's standout nutrient is iodine, which supports thyroid function and helps regulate metabolism and energy levels. It's also a natural source of omega-3 fatty acids that promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Thanks to its chlorophyll, seaweed helps detoxify the body by flushing out toxins. As a low-carb, low-sugar alternative to chips, seaweed is both tasty and nutritious. 4. Avocado. Next is the creamy and versatile avocado. It's not just a brunch favorite, it's a true nutrient powerhouse. It's rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and has even more potassium than bananas, helping to regulate blood pressure. Avocados are also loaded with fiber for better digestion, fullness, and balanced blood sugar. Plus, antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin support healthy vision. Half an avocado is usually the right amount, and it's great in salads, on toast, or blended into smoothies. 5. Olives. Coming in 5th are olives. Small but powerful fruits loved in Mediterranean cooking. They're rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. Olives also supply vitamin E for skin and cell protection, along with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support both heart and bone health. A serving of 7 to 10 olives works perfectly. Eat them as is, in salads, or as a garnish. And if you want more simple, no-nonsense tips on staying fit and feeling your best, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.